Here are some key tips for a successful cowshed. 1. Layout and design. Plan the layout of the cowshed carefully, considering factors such as space utilization, cow comfort, and ease of management. Design separate areas for feeding, resting, milking, and manure management to promote efficiency and cleanliness. 2. Adequate space. Provide enough space for each cow to move, lie down, and exhibit natural behaviors comfortably. The recommended space per cow varies depending on factors like breed, size, and activity level, but generally, allow at least 100 to 120 square feet per cow in the resting area. 3. Good ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation to maintain fresh air and optimal air quality inside the cowshed. Install windows, vents, or fans to facilitate airflow and prevent the buildup of moisture, odors, and harmful gases. Adequate ventilation is crucial for respiratory health and overall well-being of the cows. 4. Natural light. Maximize natural light in the cowshed to create a bright and inviting environment. Natural light helps regulate the cow's circadian rhythms, enhances their mood and productivity, and reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day. 5. Comfortable bedding. Provide comfortable and clean bedding materials such as straw, sawdust, or sand for the resting area. Good bedding absorbs moisture, provides cushioning for the cow's joints, and helps maintain cleanliness. Regularly clean and replace bedding to prevent bacterial growth and ensure cow comfort. 6. Water supply. Ensure easy access to clean and fresh water for the cows at all times. Install sufficient water troughs or automatic waterers in convenient locations within the shed. Monitor water quality and cleanliness regularly to promote hydration and health. 7. Feeding management. Design an efficient feeding system that allows for easy access to feed and minimizes wastage. Use feed banks, troughs, or feeders that can accommodate the number of cows in the shed. Provide a balanced and nutritious diet tailored to the cow's age, stage of production, and nutritional requirements. 8. Health and hygiene. Implement strict hygiene practices to maintain a clean and sanitary environment in the cowshed. Regularly clean and disinfect feeding equipment, water troughs, and surfaces. Practice proper manure management to prevent contamination and reduce odor. 9. Safety measures. Ensure the cowshed is designed with safety in mind. Install non-slip flooring to prevent injuries, secure gates and barriers to control cow movement, and provide emergency exits and evacuation routes. Regularly inspect and maintain structural elements to address potential hazards. Regular monitoring. And 10. Maintenance. Monitor the cow's health, behavior, and production regularly to detect any issues early. Conduct routine maintenance and inspections of the cowshed, equipment, and facilities to identify and address any maintenance needs promptly. By implementing these key tips, you can create a successful cowshed that promotes cow health, comfort, and productivity while facilitating efficient management practices.